opening.
Do you have an idea?
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. I got it. Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Calux. Yes, as you saw, I picked up the iPhone 7 today. New fave colour, yeah? Anyway, there's always those drop tests that come out when new iPhones come out. So it's like, oh, I wonder if it'll break from there. Did it break? Oh no, it didn't. Oh, what about here? Hold on. Oh, it didn't. Look at that, I've still got my iPhone. Well, today, I am throwing the iPhone out of one of these. It's kind of dirty already. Messed it up already. R.I.P. Well, we dropped it. We don't know where it landed. We got a thumbs up. I think they saw it drop. Let's see what condition that phone is in right now.
It went in the next field.
It went in the next field. Oh shit, okay, hold on. They found the phone! They found it! Where do I go? Through here?
We've got the phone.
Come here, I love you. No way. No way. Baby. Oh shit. It's still recording! Guys, it's... Oi, it's alive. We just dropped an iPhone out of a helicopter and I can still call my mum. I cannot believe I've still got the video on here, so you've seen that. It still works, everything works. I'm just gonna go get the screen fixed and I've got a phone. I thought I was gonna lose this phone forever. And this is not an advert, as much as Apple would like it to be. You can drop your phone out of a helicopter. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, share the video if you're feeling nice, put it on your Facebook or something. This guy, you'll never believe what he did. He dropped the iPhone out of a helicopter. Anyway, thank you. Subscribe if you're new around here, and peace.